Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Alma Gallego Argonza. I'm 31 years old. My height is 157. My weight is 60 kilos. I'm married. I have 4 kids. Age 12 at twins age 8 years old and 1 age years old. I have 2 brothers, 2 sisters. I'm number 3 in the family. I have 3 years experience in my country. My job is doing all the house work, cleaning, cooking, ironing. I take care of children age 3 years old, prepare healthy. I'm going in cleaning and cooking, take care of baby, take care of children, take care of elderly, take care of bedridden. I can accept any kind of job. I agreed with of the amount. I promise I will work hard with loyalty and honesty. I follow instruction. I'm looking forward to work with your family to support my family too. Thank you for sir, ma'am.